Question here says, if the temperature is too low, crude oil remains in a solid state, whereas if it is too hot, it becomes a gas. So this answer is actually true. And the reason is because we see up here that kerogen is described as a waxy substance. Waxy implies solid. A gas is obviously a gas, and we see here natural gas down here. So then we need to look at the transition of this oil as the temperature goes from high to low. And what we see in this final sentence is basically below this range being this oil window, the temperature, the crude oil remains kerogen, so it remains a waxy or solid substance, and then above this temperature, the crude oil becomes a natural gas, which is exactly what this sentence says. So the answer is true. If you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them below. Otherwise, you can head on over to gradtest.com where you can take this practice test for free.